Okay, this is not the way that I usually record my videos, and I've only been playing with this for about a day or two, but if you have the right document camera and the Sphere 2 software, which is free, then you can record your own videos this way. I like doing it under the document camera versus like the Screencastify because this gives me the option to write some things down. I've got right now my graphing calculator under here, and I can say this is the equation 3x squared, whatever that goes along in there. It gives me the ability to write. I could put a paper under there and make edits on the paper, make notations on the paper, and that's something that sometimes it's just easier to be able to write. That's why I like doing it on my smartboard, because I can write on my smartboard, but this gives you an option if you don't have a smartboard. So what happens here, this menu that's up here that says click to stop, all said record before, and I clicked on that. Some other options that you have here, this presenter, I'm going to try to do this without messing too many things up. I can spotlight certain things and move that spotlight around and highlight things that are on there, and then the red X up in the corner makes that go away. And go back into here. I can also split the screen in a number of different ways. I don't have a webcam on this computer, so I'm going to avoid the split screen options that have the pink on them, but I can split my screen this way. And then it allows me to pull up pictures or things over here and still have this part where I'm doing my writing over there. So I can grab a picture that I might have, and I'm going to go into, I guess I closed something out that I didn't mean to, so I'm going to jump back in here and find my way into this folder. And we'll start out with the what you need to make this happen. I'll minimize this here, but you do need the AverVision 300 AF Plus document camera, or a newer one, I'm assuming, would work as well. I'm going to take that split screen back off of there and jump back in here and see if I can make a freehand annotation on this part of it. The plus on this is important. That's a new enough one that this will actually work. So you need to have that in place. The Sphere 2, like we said, is free on the computer. If your computer doesn't have a built-in microphone, this one doesn't. I'm going to show you here. I bought this cheap microphone on Amazon. I'm sure that I paid less than $20 for it. It is a USB microphone and seems to work pretty well. The tripod for it broke on the second day, but I've been able to make it work since then. Let's see, I think I had another bit of media in here. See if I can drag that over. So as it says, we talked about the presenter part there and the split screen. You can take snapshots, that's what the capture does, and it will capture what's under the document cam only, or everything that's on the screen. And there's a time-lapse option that I just, it's not something that I've taken advantage of myself in the past, but that is what you can do. And then you can, once you hit stop on the recording, of course that's going to stop recording things for me, as it says, and I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then it will give me an option. I'll show some of the options that pop up on the other presentation.